probably the most luxurious tiny home I ever seen. We are in Puerto Rico right now. Usually we do luxury hotel review, but today we're gonna do something special.
Since we're in the middle of nowhere on an island, we decided to book a treehouse. And to get there, since these buses are not going anywhere anytime soon, we need a car
And a plan.
Yeah. And a couple of eggs for breakfast.
So, make a plan. So, my grammar is horrible. Let's switch.
Got you covered. We think we should climb a treehouse. Explore the house. Make a picnic. Find wildlife. Stargazing.
How do you like my grammar? I did a great job. Let's go. I see you. Subscribe to our channel. So, first, climb a tree house. Let's do it.
Hey, is this considered climbing?
Yes,
So you're climbing a treehouse.
yes,
Okay.
I do.
Maybe there's a better way? I think you're cheating.
No. Climbing. Done.
And now let's explore the house. We have a real tree. I just can't believe it. I'm literally standing inside a tree house, suspended above the ground, and this tree house has 2 levels with a separate kitchen, living room, and a master bedroom with a real bathroom and toilet. Let's look around. The host has made like an awesome job, because I don't know how, but they fit a real size kitchen inside this small house. So we have pretty big table, we have a microwave, we have a real stove. Oops, I think I'm cooking something already. We have running water inside with a sink. That's amazing. Look, it's Yunque View Treehouse, because we are in the national forest, and that's super cool. Look, they stocked it with everything we might need. So this living room has a small cute table overlooking the national forest, and it's like really amazing. You see, you can just sit here, sip some coffee or wines that we have here, but we are not consuming any alcohol. At the moment we have a 1-year no alcohol challenge. If you're watching our channel for a while, you know that already. So, and here we see the national forest. It's so cute. And now let's go to the 2nd floor, or better say climb to the 2nd floor and explore the bedroom. Hey, follow me upstairs. It's really amazing here.
So guys, as you know, like, the harder job is mine. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I did it. Oh my gosh. So this house has 2 floors. Right now we are in a master bedroom on a second floor. I can't believe it because like here we have like real tree. I never been in a tree house and I'm so excited to be here. You know, like, and we have like a green bed. We have like a restroom. We have a shower. We have a sink. We have an air condition. You know, like. It's look like 5 stars hotel, probably the most luxurious tiny home I ever seen, but this is first night. So we have a window on rooftop. You can do stargazing.
Is it comfortable?
Yeah, it's good. You know. And
Show me around.
look at this. It's a real. You see? Wow.
Smells amazing, yeah?
Yeah. Right now I'm in Treehouse, sitting in a restroom on the second floor, and next to me shower. Can you imagine? It's a tiny one, but we still have it. You see it? So, and here we have like an office. We have like a table for working or like do wherever you want. We have like Wi-Fi here and TV.
Yeah.
It's really cool. It's like luxurious hotel.
And even an air conditioner, yeah?
Yeah. Cool. So, how is your first experience in Treehouse?
So far so good, but it's like amazing. And actually when you are walking upstairs, I can feel the house shaking.
Because I'm too heavy.
Yeah. The whole house is like shaking when you're walking upstairs. It's so funny.
I'm too big, you see? I'm a tall guy.
Yeah, you are like 6 feet, right?
Yeah, I'm 6 feet.
And you're just like the right fit for this house. So let's go kind of downstairs to the base level and see how this tree house actually stands above the ground. So we have this really cool bridge to just climb upstairs, and as you see, it's pretty high above the ground. It's probably like 10 feet above the ground. And let's see the construction. We have a neighbor. Oh my gosh. It's a gecko?
Yeah, it's a gecko.
Miniature gecko. Hey, dude, I don't like them.
Wow, it's so cute and nice.
I'm afraid to touch it.
So guys, right now we are staying under the house and let's see what we're gonna have here. I'm not like a construction man, but I try to do my best. Here it's like a tree house base. We have some anchor to keep this house on a tree, and we have these wood logs to like balance because it's 2-story house, so it's pretty heavy, you know. And we have like all the utilities here, water, electricity, and everything what you need for normal life. So as you see here, we have a plumbing system for gray water, and we have some electricity cord here, but I'm not sure, it's probably not main. So this tree house stay on these 3 branches and some kind of like another metal base here.
Explore the treehouse. Check. And now let's find some wildlife.
Yeah, let's do it! Babe, seems like I found it.
Wow, it's a horse.
Wow, guys, look at this, it's coconut! It's real coconut! Oh my gosh. Wow, on a tree, palm tree. Wow, it's so beautiful. Papaya. Oh my gosh, it's It's a real papaya. Look. Wow. So you see around the house we have like a coconut tree, papaya tree. Wow, I can't believe it. It's super cool. This is awesome. This is unbelievable experience.
Alright, so we've just found the wildlife. Check. Time for a picnic. And since we're in Puerto Rico, let's make some quesadilla. Your quesadilla, sir.
Oh my god. It's so good. Hey dude, where did you learn to cook quesadilla?
I went to a master class of the best Puerto Rican chef who makes quesadillas.
Yeah? Which restaurant?
Le Casito.
Ale Casita. Yeah, it's a good one. Quesadilla from Ale Casita.
Our picnic is ready. Check.
Travel hack. If you need a Lysol, go to Puerto Rico.
It's sold everywhere, right?
Yeah, even in Walmart. Clean. Stargazing. Done. Let's go sleep. Good morning, guys. And now it's breakfast time. Let's do Treehouse breakfast. We're gonna do pancakes. Kitchen is ready for breakfast.
Good morning.
So, babe, how do you like my pancakes?
Yeah, I love your pancakes. We even have syrup. Look, so yummy. YouTube coffee cup versus reality coffee cup. Yes.
So, bye bye, little tiny treehouse. See you next time.
And if you have a chance, at least once in a lifetime, stay in a treehouse. It's really a cool experience, even for grown-up kids.
Yeah, but this treehouse is a luxury treehouse.